The 2025 Kia Sportage stands out with its bold, futuristic design and elevated presence, especially in this bright white color that beautifully reflects the soft natural lighting of a contemporary luxury showroom. The polished floors mirror the SUV's sleek silhouette, while the ambient lighting emphasizes the vehicle's refined curves and aggressive front fascia. The signature tiger nose grille is now more sculpted and flanked by boomerang-shaped LED DRLs, giving the front a distinctive and high-tech feel. From the rear, the redesigned tailgate and slim LED taillights stretch across the width, creating a wide, planted stance. The view from the back reveals clean lines, sporty dual exhaust tips, and a subtle roof spoiler, all adding to the impression of a premium yet performance-ready SUV. Step inside, and the cabin immediately conveys a sense of modern sophistication. The interior has been significantly enhanced with a panoramic curved display that seamlessly integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a matching 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. These displays are intuitive and crisp, offering advanced connectivity features, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and built-in navigation with real-time traffic. The dashboard design is minimalist yet functional, using high-quality soft-touch materials, brushed metal accents, and ambient lighting that can be customized to suit your mood. Comfort and practicality are just as impressive. The front seats are power-adjustable, ventilated, and heated, wrapped in premium synthetic leather that complements the white exterior with subtle contrast stitching. Rear passengers also benefit from ample legroom and reclining seatbacks, thanks to the Sportage's longer wheelbase. The cargo space is generous, and with the hands-free smart power liftgate, loading and unloading is effortless and especially useful for families or weekend getaways. Performance-wise, the 2025 Sportage offers a smooth, responsive ride with multiple powertrain options, including a fuel-efficient 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and available hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants for those seeking eco-friendly alternatives. The ride quality is enhanced by sound-deadening materials and a well-tuned suspension system that balances comfort with agility, making city drives and highway cruises equally enjoyable. Drive modes like Sport, Eco, and Snow allow the vehicle to adapt to different driving conditions seamlessly. Technology and safety are at the forefront, with the latest Kia DriveWise suite offering features such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, blind spot view monitoring, and forward collision avoidance. These systems not only boost confidence on the road but also reinforce Kia's commitment to intelligent mobility. With its eye-catching design, refined interior, and balanced performance, the 2025 Kia Sportage in this striking modified white finish presents a compelling blend of style and substance, set against the backdrop of a modern showroom with clean architectural lines and natural light accentuating every detail. The Sportage feels right at home, futuristic, premium, and ready for the road ahead.